Hello, my name is Ben Guerrero, and I'd like to show you an app I'm working on called MixPad. It's a mixing board app for the iPad. When the app starts, you see these logic icons on the screen, and the first thing you want to do is touch them and move them. You can see that these movements are changing the pan on a mixing board from -1 to 1. There are 8 images, and each one controls a separate track in this mixing board. If you pinch one of the objects, its corresponding input gain moves between 0 and 1. This idea of touching and manipulating objects and images to control sound is really cool and creative. Now, when I press play, the images almost disappear. Their opacity is actually connected to the waveform, so instruments can immediately grab your attention as they play, and they disappear as they stop playing. You can even see the snare bleed through on the tom tracks. These moving images have a very different feel than moving sliders or knobs on a mixing board. You have immediate feedback for your fingers, eyes, and ears. And fading out an instrument is as easy as pinching it smaller. Fading it back in is as easy as stretching the image. This intuitive design takes full advantage of the multi-touch capabilities of the iPad. Sliders and knobs are designed for the analog world and don't always translate on computer screens. The digital world needs something better, more intuitive and more creative. This app will be part of my master's thesis at NYU. I'm studying music technology. This current prototype will soon become a full-fledged app, handling large multi-track mixes, 5.1 and 3D mixing, creative plug-in effects, and send OSC information to your computer to control your favorite software. This concept has a lot of potential, and you'll see that in my future updates. Stay tuned.